Welcome. A couple of videos ago I talked about measuring and ordering a wheel on Amazon, and in this video I'm going to unbox that wheel so we can take a look at it and see if it's any good. So here's the wheel, and to recap, this is for a 2006 Honda Civic, and this is from the company Dorman. It says OE Solutions 939106, steel wheel, quantity 1. And if you've done much car repair, you might be familiar with Dorman. They make a lot of aftermarket parts, or repair parts for cars. So let me get in a little closer to this. So it looks very similar to the original equipment wheel. It has these holes around the perimeter. These look slightly smaller than those holes, although I didn't care to measure it. Let's look at the construction here. I can see it was welded right along this joint. It's very smooth. You want the beads to be very smooth. You don't want anything sharp here along the beads. Looks like it's welded 1, 2, 3, 4 places. Let's look at the original one. One, two, three, four. So it looks like it's welded the same. These have these little cups there in the seam. Is that what did that? Yeah, this is straight. See, they are slightly different, but it should meet the same specs of it. So that's the Dorman wheel I ordered. So now I just need to go and get a tire put on this and get it put back on the car. It's kind of crazy that how wide this is. I used to work in a tire shop, and something like a Honda Civic would have a really narrow wheel, and this is a pretty wide wheel. So, and especially on a steel wheel. Usually aluminum wheels would be the wider ones. But that's all for this video. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this wheel, and I think this is a good option. I think I went the right way as opposed to getting a salvage wheel, because this was almost half the price. It was a lot cheaper than getting a salvage wheel. And it came right to my house, and I didn't have to drive across town to the salvage yard. But if you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.